In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase app with debit card, best method. By the end, you'll confidently make a purchase and know what to expect at each screen. Before we begin, make sure you have a Coinbase account, a valid debit card, and a stable internet connection. Coinbase may ask you to verify your identity and payment method. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. Start by opening your browser and searching for Coinbase. Tap the official result to go to the site, or open the Coinbase app if you already have it installed. Always double check the URL or app publisher to avoid phishing. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. Here, you'll see market prices and your portfolio if you're signed in. Look for the buy button. It's usually on the bottom menu or front and center on the home screen, and tap it. This opens the purchase flow. Next, choose the asset you want to buy. Select Bitcoin from the list. You'll see the BTC label and the current price. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing Bitcoin and not another asset with a similar name. Now, tap Pay With to pick how you'd like to fund the purchase. Choose your debit card if it's already saved. If your card isn't listed yet, select Add a Payment Method. Enter your card details carefully, following any prompts for verification. Coinbase may place a temporary test charge or ask you to confirm a code from your bank for security. Once your card is added, select it as your payment method. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in your local currency or in BTC. When you're ready, tap Review Order. On this screen, look closely at the purchase amount, the Coinbase fee, and the total cost. You'll also see the estimated delivery time. Debit card buys are typically instant, and a preview of how much Bitcoin you'll receive. Prices can move quickly, so the quote may refresh. If it changes, review again before confirming. If everything looks right, confirm the purchase. You should immediately see a confirmation message, and your portfolio balance will update with your new Bitcoin. That's it. You can view your transaction details from your activity or portfolio screen, and if you'd like, set up price alerts or recurring buys later. A few tips as you wrap up. Keep two-factor authentication enabled. Never share one-time codes and review fees so there are no surprises. This walkthrough is for educational purposes only. Always decide what's right for your situation. Enjoy your first Bitcoin purchase on Coinbase.